Hey guys, this is Amanda from Manda Julaine Designs. Today I wanted to offer you a quick video tutorial on how to order your custom designed products through gotprint.com. I do offer all of my clients the opportunity to choose where they'd like to have their custom designed products printed through. However, so many times I have clients ask where to print through because they're just not sure. They haven't had the experience in that way before. So 100% of the time I suggest printing through gotprint.com. Gotprint.com has such a great variety of different printing options. So there are so many different things that Manda Julaine Designs can custom design for you. Also, if there ever would be an issue in the printing process, their customer service is absolutely phenomenal, not only in catching those errors prior to the printing process, but working with you if something were to go wrong. However, in the several years that I've been using them, I've only ever had one issue. And they were great to fix that right away. So, wanted to go ahead and show you quickly how you can jump online and order your custom designed products that you've received from Manda Julaine Designs. Now, as we go ahead and pull up our internet browser, I will go ahead and remind you that Manda Julaine Designs, um, while we can pretty much design anything for you, the majority of our products do not include printing prices. So, keep that in mind. But again, that's why I choose gotprint.com, because they're incredibly affordable in their printing. So today I'm going to go ahead and use an example of a postcard that I designed for a client to get us up and running for this. So first of all, you navigate to www.gotprint.com in your internet browser. When you arrive on the page, the products will automatically pop up. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose a postcard and click on that link. Now, certainly if you ordered something else, Manda Julaine Designs would be sure to tell you which option to choose in the email where you receive your final design files. So once I've chosen the postcards, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Upload Your Design option. And then it's going to ask me to select my size. In this case, I am looking for a 5x7 vertical postcard. So I'm just going to scroll down, and here it is on the page. You just click on that size option. And now this is the part where I'm going to select the different paper weights, color, quantity, etc. So as you can see, the size is already inputted here, 5x7 vertical. Now I'm going to go and select the paper. Any of these options are really great. I've printed on the 14 point, the 16 point, the 100 pound, and the 80 pound, which isn't featured here. The trifecta isn't probably something that you would choose for a postcard if you're especially looking for like an announcement card or an invitation, but like business cards, it's a real thick designed paper. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the recycled 100-pound dull cover with a matte finish. I really like this finish on postcards. And now I'm going to go ahead and select my color option. In this case, we do have a full color front and a full color back, so that's the option that I would select. And finally, I choose the quantity. Now in this case, I'm only going to be ordering 100. And as you can see, once you've selected those options, some various other options come up down here. So there's the option for the standard print time, which is 2 to 4 business days on postcards. This does vary depending on the product that you are choosing. And there also is a rush option, which does add a little bit to the total cost at the bottom if you select that. For this particular client, I'm going to go ahead and choose the rounded corners because that's what we wanted to go with. And then we're going to go ahead and move down into the proof type. There's two options here. There's an instant online proof and a manually processed PDF proof that they would email to you. I almost always choose the instant online proof because it's quick and I can make sure my products get approved and ready to print right away. File delivery, I have always chosen to upload the files right now directly to the GotPrint server. And then there's really no need to have to fill in this bottom part about shipping, because you can estimate that when you put it into your cart. This is really just a way for you to get an estimate of what that shipping cost might be. So I'm going to go ahead and click on upload. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and start by just doing these basic steps of uploading the front and the back of the card. Now there's two different options here. You can upload each file one at a time, or if you click down here on the bulk upload mode, just check that box. It'll load for a second, and then it's going to give me the opportunity to load different files here all at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add and wait for that screen to come up. I'm going to just find that file on my computer here. So give me 1 second while I just navigate to it. And in this case, we're go ahead and we're printing a birth announcement. So I'm going to upload both the front and the back here of the image. Click Open and then click Upload. So quickly, both of those files are going to go ahead and upload to the gotprint.com server. Give it just a minute here while it processes. Okay, perfect. So it's just about done here. You can see that there's two different files that are starting to pop up down here in my recent downloads. And sometimes, depending on your file size, this file preparation process can take a little bit of time, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. The reason that that can take so long is because the files that you will be receiving from Manda Julaine Designs to print are high resolution files, so they're just a little bit bigger. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the front of the image since that's what I wanted to upload first, and it's going to go ahead and bring me up just a brief preview of what that image will look like once it's printed. It's going to show you several lines that appear on the card. So in this case, you can see that it's not quite going to the right size. I'm just going to drag it out a little bit. Now this red is where the trimming process is going to be, and anything within this blue line would be considered safe to print. So most of the time when you get your files from us, this will upload and it'll automatically be right within those zones. So you really shouldn't have to resize or anything. I'm just going to go ahead and click Continue. It's going to process that image one more time to be within those borders that we dragged it in to be. Okay, then I'm going to click on Upload Back, and as I mentioned, we did a bulk upload option. So I'm just going to click here on the back of the image. Now I am uploading a lower resolution file here just because it was quick of what I found, but again, what you will receive in your final email from Manda Julaine Designs will be high res and should match this sizing perfectly. So you really shouldn't have to resize, but I'm just going to do it for the sake of this image. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click Continue. It'll just process that file here one last time. Once you've uploaded both your files, you click Next at the bottom of the page. It's going to give you that proof of your image. So here's my front, here's my back, and you need to select the box to agree to the terms and conditions. And then right down here, there's a box where you need to enter your initials, basically saying that you've already proofed the card. If there's any typos, GotPrint is not responsible for that. However, if they notice that any of your print is outside their guidelines, there have been times when I've been contacted by them because they've been concerned about it and they just want to double check with me. So again, great customer service. So once you've selected that terms and conditions box and entered in your initials, you click Add to Shopping Cart, and then you'll be all set to check out. I'm not going to walk you through that process because I think it's pretty basic, but that is the basic design upload process to get things printed through gotprint.com. So happy that you chose to work with Manda Julaine Designs for your custom design needs. I hope that you will consider coming back and using us again soon. As a current client, when you paid for your design project, you did receive a coupon code for a percentage off of your next purchase, and we would love to have you use that and come back and use Manda Julaine Designs again. Thank you so much.